Okay guys, welcome back. So as part of our lab setup, I am going to show you how to take a snapshot. A snapshot is just a backup of your server as it is as at today, so that if anything goes wrong, you can always restore the system from backup. We are finished configuring the servers, we are finished configuring the host names and the host files. The next thing now, before we start to delve into how to use the Red Hat operating system, we need to take a snapshot of our workstation, of our server A and server B. So if in future we make any mistake or mess up our system, or it becomes unusable or unbootable, we shouldn't worry. We will have to restore to snapshot and our system will come back afresh as it is today. So to take a snapshot, I am going to first of all power off the servers. I'm going to power off the workstation, select power off. For server A, you select it, you go here and say power off, you power it off. And for server B, you select it, you go here and you click on power off, power it off. So the three servers are all powered off. Now we need to take a snapshot. Let's start from the server B since we're already here. To take a snapshot, we can either do a right click here and we go to snapshot, and we'll go to take a snapshot, or we go to VM here, click on the VM and go to snapshot, I'll click on take snapshot, or we click on this icon here to take a snapshot. Either of any of these places will you'll be able to take a snapshot. So if you click here to take a snapshot, you will see this window that asks you for name of your snapshot. Give it a name that you can remember. We can say snapshot 1. Then give it a description. I can say this snapshot is taken after installation, installation and configuring. Okay, after installing, say after installing and configuring host name and host file. Okay, you can put a date taken today or taken on March 3rd, 2025. This is the description of our snapshot. I can copy it. You can call it snapshot 1 or give it any name, and you click on take snapshot. So this snapshot of server B has been taken. We'll go to server A. We'll do the same thing on server A. Go here, click on take a snapshot. I'm going to call it snapshot 1 and the same description. I'll paste that description here. Okay, this is snap. Made a mistake here. Snapshot is taken after installing and configuring host name and host file. Host file should be 2 words. Okay, taken on March 3rd, 2025. Click on take snapshot. Do the same thing on the workstation. The snapshot should not take time because we don't really have anything going on the server. So the snapshot will just be taken momentarily. But if you have lots of things in your server and you take a snapshot of it, it might take time, a couple of minutes before, even sometimes it takes hours, depending on what you have in it for a snapshot to be fully taken. So for this, it is also a description. I will click on take snapshot. So going forward, if anything happens to this my workstation and I want to restore it to the state it was when I freshly installed it, all I have to do is to restore from the snapshot. And how do I restore from the snapshot? I'll go to the server itself, highlight the workstation, do a right click, go to snapshot, then you see this revert to snapshot 1. That is the name of the snapshot. If I click here, the system will ask you, by restoring this snapshot, the current state will be lost. Do you want to restore the snapshot? Assuming that my system becomes unusable and I want to really restore the snapshot from the original state as of today, I will say yes, and the system will restore the snapshot. I'm going to say no. And you can take as many snapshots as you want. If maybe the next 3 weeks I want to take a snapshot of the system as it is by that time, maybe I have installed some applications, I have done some configurations, I don't want to lose it in case the system breaks down or the system crashes. I can come and take a snapshot again. Go here, click on take snapshot. This one is going to be snapshot number 2. Give it a description and you click on take snapshot. But I don't want to take another snapshot. The one I've taken is okay. So, but you can take as many snapshots as possible and you can always restore to the snapshot on a particular date that you want. So that is it for taking a snapshot. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Richard. I will see you on the next video.